Column, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 5 power 7 minus 6. So I can have this as 5 to the power of 7 is simply 6 plus 1, then minus 6. And remember, if you have a power n plus m equals a power n times a power m. Applying this identity here, what I'm going to have is 5 power 6 times 5 power 1 minus 6. And from here, I can have 5 power 6 times, this is 5. Here, I can express it as 5 plus 1. So from here, I will have 5 power 6 times 5 minus 5 minus 1. There is 5 here, there is 5 here. I can factor that out. Then we divide this by 5, you have 5 power 6. Then we have minus 5 divides 5, I have 1. And there is minus 1 here outside the bracket. So from here, I can have 5 times this 5 power 6, I can have it as 5 power 3 times 2 minus 1. And this is minus 1. Now remember, if you have a power n times n, this equals a power n or to the power of n. So applying this right here, what I'm going to have will be 5 times this is 5 power 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 1, and this is minus 1. I can as well raise this one to the power of 2 because 1 power 2 is the same thing as 1. Now, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a minus b times a plus b. So 5 power 3 is my a, while 1 is my b. That means I can simply have something as 5 times, this is 5 power 3. I have a minus b, this is minus 1, times a plus 1, and this is minus 1. So I have 5 times 5 power 3, this is 125 minus 1, times 125 plus 1, this is minus 1. So from here, I have 5 times 125 plus 1 minus 1 is 124 times 125 plus 1, this is 126 minus 1. So from here, I will have 5 times this, I can express this as 100 plus 24 times 100 plus 26, then this is minus 1. So if this is my A, this is my B, this is my A, this is my C, because 26 is different from 24. For you to multiply this, you have A squared plus A times B plus C plus B times C. This is when you have A plus B times A plus C. So this is A plus B times A plus C. So you make use of this identity to expand it. That means you are simply going to have 5 times A squared, that is 100 power 2, plus A, that is 100, times B plus C, 24 plus 26, plus B times C, 24 times 26. So this is minus 1 here. So from here, I have 5 times 100 squared, this is 10,000, plus 100 times 24 plus 26, this is 50, plus 24 times 26, we have 24 times 26. Let's multiply that out. 6 times 4, that is 24, 4 carry over 2, 6 times 2, 12 plus 2, 14, we have 1, 4, 4. 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up, this is 4. This will give you 12. 2 carry over 1 add here, that is 2 plus this is 624. So that is what we are getting. So 24 times 26 is 624. So we have 5 times this is 10,000 plus 100 times 50. This is 5,000. Because 5 times 1 is 5, then you have 3 zeros. Plus this 624, which is 24 times 26. And remember, it is minus 1 outside the bracket. So we have 5 times 10,000 plus 5,000. This is 15,000. Then plus 624. So we have minus 1. So from here, we have 5 times 15,000 plus 624. But this is 15, 624 minus 1. So what we are going to do will be to multiply this out, then we subtract 1 from it. So let's do that. So we are going to multiply this out. You have 15624 times 5. So 5 times 4, that is 20. 0 carry over 2. 5 times 2, that is 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, that is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 1 and carry over 3. 5 times 5, that is 25. 25 plus 3, 28. You have 8 and carry over 2. 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 2, that is 7. So remember, there is minus 1 here. So you need to subtract 1 from this. So you have 7, 8, 1, 20 minus 1, that is 19. So the final answer is 78119. So this becomes the answer for 5 power 7 minus 6. And this is 78,190. And we have achieved this without a calculator. So guys, this is how you evaluate this with a calculator step by step. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.